Grab the resistance band. You want to step directly in the middle of it so you get equal amount of resistance in each arm. Shoulders back and down, chest up. Look how she's standing. Hip, knee, ankle lined up. Feet are perfectly straight. Slightly bent knees. Her knees are not going to move throughout the set. They're going to be nice and strong and stiff. You want to curl up, keeping the wrist nice and straight. She's not bending it back and forth. Straight, lined up with her elbow. Breathe in on the way down. Blow out on the way up. Notice when she comes up, her hand is right next to her shoulder, okay? It's not outward or inward. It's right lined up with everything. That's how you work that bicep very effectively. Go ahead. Her abs are nice and tight. She's not swaying back and forth. Her neck is nice and strong. She's looking straight. She's not moving her head up and down.